Okay, go. She goes through her room and through the bathroom. Around the chair. The tiny room table. Here she goes again. Through the bathroom.
Here she goes again.
Good bike riding.
Now backwards and through the bathroom. Through my bedroom, which I don't like. And she gets captured by giant monkeys.
All the crazy stuff in the house is an obstacle course for her. Whoa, whoa, wipe out.